Okay, that's it. A very nice model, and it's a beautiful box to the model itself. Okay, so it has a big transparent box. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Bentley Flying Spur W12, and I bought them today just to show you how small they are. Hello everyone, welcome to External Star Channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I will be unboxing, then reviewing and also eventually rating this new Skoda model from a company called Kaden. And maybe you already know that I previously reviewed this beautiful Tatra, and actually it's the same manufacturer based in the Czech Republic, which is producing both this one and this one. Yeah? So if you want to watch this one, there is a video in my library in my channel, and actually I will skip this one. It will be here only for comparison. But now really I want to unbox this racing special Škoda Fabia WRC, which is a racing special, and actually it came in this nice box, and I quite like it. And you also can see that this is number 71. Yeah, I don't know exactly how this numbering works, but actually it's like this. Good, here you have another sign saying that this one was manufactured in the Czech Republic by a company called Kaden. Okay, so I think that's it. Yeah, that's it regarding the box. Nothing else, nothing more interesting. And they also write here that they have a permission from Skoda cars, yeah, to manufacture this beautiful replica in 1:43 scale. Okay, good. So time now to unbox it. Yeah. So let me first remove it here out of the box. So that's the first step. Good. And then, of course, a second step would be to remove this cover. Okay. So now we have this small car ready here, and you can maybe see already that there are many antennas on the roof, so it's very sensitive and I don't want to break it. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and yeah, so the next thing that I really want to do is to remove it from the base. So here I have a screwdriver, and there is actually only one screw. Check it here. It shouldn't be a big problem to remove this one from the base. Good. Here we go. And now I think we can already start reviewing it. Yeah. So maybe first really to put it here and go to the second camera. All right, guys. It's so tiny, but look at that. Yeah. So actually, it's a very nicely done. It's only 1:43 scale, so really small. But now look at the decals. Yeah, so the first thing that I want to mention here is the technology, how the decals actually, how this all the colors were printed and done. So you can actually now check the video directly from the manufacturing of this model. That was very cool, wasn't it? Yeah, so let's check it one more time. It's so nice to see it. Good, so now when you know how the stickers or decals were made by this machine, let's start the review here in the front. Yeah? So very nicely done headlights and also the front grille with a very tiny Skoda logo. It's incredible. Let me maybe oh, I can't even zoom in here, but it's so small and so precise. And also here the 3S3 1942, it looks like a license plate, which is not very typical to be here, but it's okay. Skoda Motorsport. And then we have also the names of the drivers or something like that. It's so tiny, I can't even read it. And then air intakes here to cool down the engine. Okay, good. Then from the side, you see that we have white wheels with this rubber tires, and it's real rubber actually. And then number 1. And what else? Yeah, so again, a lot of advertisement, like here are all the ads like Ferrero and so on and so on. Yeah, let's go ahead. We have T-Mobile and Shell. And then maybe later you will see also this construction, yeah, which is there to make it a little bit more solid when racing. Actually, this is a racing special, I already told you, and it would fit only the driver and the co-driver. So nobody would really sit in the back, and that's why we only have the construction there. Then we have this massive, really massive wing in the back. And finally, this nice license plate. Yeah? So here we have the real one, which is authorized to be driven on roads. And then we have this one. I'm not really sure if this would be allowed. If the police catch you, then probably, I'm not sure. Yeah? This one looks really more realistic. And then again, a lot of advertisement with this T-Mobile, Skoda Auto, and Shell Helix. All right, the rear lights also, they look fantastic, phenomenal, really nicely done on this small car. All the antennas on the roof, I already told you, the Czech national flag, and that's basically it. Now let's also check the undercarriage. Okay, so we have a screw here, and it's quite flat, yeah, so not so many details. We have only a few pipes here, but that's probably it. And now what I also noticed on some Facebook pictures and videos, that you can somehow remove this. I'm not sure how, maybe. Let's check it out. As I said, let's check it out, yeah, if we can really remove this. And what will be inside, guys. So I'm quite curious. Okay, here we go. Good. So now for the first time I will show you this frame. Yeah? I'm not usually doing this, but since I saw it online, yeah, so that you can remove the chassis, and it's a nice metal piece and very nice and heavy. And then we have here all those details. Yeah, so look at that. Look at this frame, how it looks like, and we also see here the spare tire, nicely done, and then also all other details. Yeah, so look at that. Yeah, really nice. And I did this especially to show you the construction here. I mean, here the frame, it's very nicely done, yeah, and also all the details. I mean, it's nice, yeah. So somebody really was thinking about, okay, how do we do that? And actually, you see the hole here, it's for the exhaust. So you fit the exhaust there, yeah, and then push it there, and then you can assemble it again. Yeah, so very easy to do. I would probably not do it anymore. It's just to show you how this car is actually done. Yeah, and that it's very easy to assemble it back again. So yeah, now we have it, very nice, and look at that, really, really great. So let's also show it to you next to a big Tatra. Yeah? So how the dimensions or how the size really fits next to each other. Look at that. Yeah, so here this small and this big truck. Yeah, so really phenomenal. So If you like collecting racing cars, I think this Škoda Fabia WCR is really something to be considered, especially if the decals or stickers, I don't know really how to call it, yeah, you saw the technology. So guys, I think we have now 3 models here next to each other, yeah, so we have this Jaguar, this Skoda car, and this big Tatra car, yeah, so really 3 of them in 1:43 scale. The good thing if you are collecting 1:43 is that you can have so many different cars in your collection and they will still fit into your shelf because they are smaller, but of course they are also a bit pricey and not all of them are cheap, and you can also find easily pieces for like $100, and this one was a bit cheaper. It's like, I don't know, $60, $60 US. I will give you also a link in below the video so that you can check the official link in case you are interested. And I think that's it, yeah, so I will just put this aside and tell you that now I'm going to rate this model. So thank you for watching again and see you next time. Bye bye.